So running a little test here. We're going to be shooting a 357 Magnum, which is a standard round, and then we're going to be running a test against the Glock 10mm that I got here versus just a standard full metal jacket round. I'm using a standard soft lead tipped round with a 357 Magnum, and then a Buffalo Bore 180 grain, then a Buffalo Bore 10mm. We're just going to test out and see how much penetration we get through. How many sheets of wood do we got going on there?
16.
16. Am I shooting first?
Go.
Okay, so let's. Got anything coming out the back? Doesn't look like it.
Heck no. Be lucky if it went through 3 boards.
There it is right there. Oh no.
There's the standard 10.
Standard 10 went through how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's pretty good.
Insane.
Keeps going. Yeah. Okay, so there we go. 2 more. So what weight?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here's the 357. It's stuck in the 8.
Yeah. So 357, at least the Buffalo Bore. That's what we thought, is that the 357, because it's thinner, or a smaller overall, would go a little bit further.
That's a whole lot of pressure.
Okay, so let's count these boards again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5, 6, 7, and it's so coming out. The 10mm is coming out, and then
Stuck in the
there
9.
is the
It went through 2 inches more wood.
the 357 Magnum.
Well, it went through this one,
and then
stuck into that, so 1.5 inches more
inch
wood.
and a half more wood with the 180 grain Buffalo Bore round. How heavy is the 10mm here?
220.
220. Well, so I mean, penetration is different than energy transfer. Where's the standard? I completely missed with the standard right through the corner there.
Went through the side.
You need to pop one in the middle to find out.
So because I missed with the standard 357 Magnum round, we're going to do it again. I'm just shooting here a PMC, just a cheap 357 Magnum with the exposed lead tip there.
Warp that board.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Stopped right there.
Yeah, so it didn't go as far as the 10mm, just a standard cheap 10mm. Now it was
just one
barely.
board less.
One board.
Yeah.
An inch.
But that's a soft point bullet.
yeah.
Mine aren't.
I want to be careful here to not draw too many conclusions. It seems to me that 357 Magnum and 10mm are very comparable, very similar to one another. And plywood is cheap and it's inexpensive and it's available to me, and that's why I'm shooting it. It's not going to show the true effects of energy transfer things, but it is a good way to gauge penetration. And it seems to me that the 10mm round out of the Glock 20 here, especially those hard cast 220 grain bullets from Buffalo Bore, are going to perform very, very similarly to the 180 grains from the 357 Magnum round. We're talking about basically 4-inch barrels, both these guns. Thank you very much for your views and your subscriptions. If you like this video, I would encourage you to subscribe to my channel for more quality video reviews on the topics of shooting, camping, and survival gear. This is the Gear Tester signing off.